So a lot of people ask us how end-to-end fulfillment works. So it's really, really simple. Ultimately speaking, your goods, whether it be fashion, computer accessories or vitamins, will be delivered into one of our 30 warehouses around the UK. At the point whereby they're delivered, they've got 24 hours to go into stock, and at the point whereby they go into stock, that means they are live on all your marketplaces. Now we can integrate with multiple marketplaces, and then from the point whereby we integrate with those multiple marketplaces, you try saying that, it's kind of tricky, right? The multiple marketplaces means that you are live to sell your products. When you make a sale, instantaneously we get a pick request from our warehouse, and the goods are picked and packed in accordance with your working instructions, and then they're dispatched to the end user. Now during the dispatch process, we monitor it to make sure that everything goes okay, and then it is successfully delivered to your end customer. That is the fulfillment center complete. Another great thing we have here is an inventory system, so you can keep an eye on your inventory, and that means you know when you can order your new stock in. So for more information on fulfillment and delivery and the process that we've got, check out our blogs and resources section at Diamond Logistics.